Well, folks, meet the unsung hero of donuts, the Belshaw Easy Melt Lard Melter. This thing is basically a hot tub for fat. You place your lard in here, there's heating elements that melt it down, and then there's a pump that will draw it up. The pump is controlled with a foot pedal over here, this thing here, and it pumps it up into the donut robot. When it works like magic. When it doesn't, well, you're left with a really expensive $3,000 fondue pot. Problem is right now, it's not pumping. So that means no donuts, no happiness. Well, first step to fixing anything is to make sure that it's plugged in. Click. Second step is to make sure it's on. You can see there's a little light. You'd be surprised how often not on means broken. Next step is I should be able to press this button and the pump should run. What's kind of odd is when I press this pedal, you see it lights up a little brighter. It's kind of strange. Now, open up the cover, you have the motor. There is a thermal overload. So there's a little button here you press. And you know what? That actually made a clicking noise. I bet you that's what the problem was. Wow, this might be nice and easy. So if I press this button, oh yeah, baby. Whoa! You didn't see that from me. There you have it, folks. If your pump doesn't run, make sure it's plugged in, turned on, and make sure that this overload here has been pressed and reset. So when it was tripped, it popped out a little bit, and when I pressed it, it clicked, and that sure enough meant that it was tripped. And now we're ready to make donuts, aka happiness.